Hello everyone, welcome to visit Shenzhen EAST LINE Communication. We are the OEM factory of corded phone and cordless phones. Let's look at, please focus this product. Do you know what is product? This one looks like a DeX telephone, but actually this is wireless. No need of tail lines. Why? Because in the back we can find here. This is SIM card. SIM card is like your GSM mobile phone. For this model, it supports GSM call band frequency. This is single SIM card, but if you like, it can be dual SIM cards. This is the battery. This battery can be 1000 mAh. Wait a minute. Sorry to let you wait. Okay, let's check back. This is the back. This is the battery. This battery can be taken out here. This is a plug. Insert this battery. Put it here. The casing cover it. And this is turn on the button, power on off. This display is the green backlight. Choose OK. CMC Chinese mobile phone SIM card. This is the handset. You can hear clearly about the other side voice. And this is the antenna. It's the fixed, non-detachable antenna. Let's check about the buttons. Here is a phone book. Check it here. You can find the name of this one back. And this menu, message, inbox, outbox, back. It's audio, lingo setting, calls ringtone, message ringtone. Let me check the call ringtone. Now you check, we have 8 ringtone. The side is not very clear. Okay. Let me check this the redial here. This redial. The phone. Okay. We can call here. Make the call. It's the hands-free speaker. Check this one. Hello? 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 It's the echo and some sounds back. Okay. Here. Hello? 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 We can't pick it. Hello? 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 Okay. For this phone, if you don't have very good signal and you don't have wired line, but you will need this one. Also, it supports hotline dialing for this one. It's very popular for developing countries such like India, South Asian countries, and South American countries. But also it's very popular for USA, American, or European areas if you like. Because if you always touch your mobile phone, you will feel very noisy because you cannot leave it. But this one is only for, like it's here, it's phone call, it's a message, contact. Okay, let's make the call. You can find 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our usual MOQ of this model is 1,000 pieces to 3,000 pieces each model. We can print your own logo here, and or here, and we turn off. Like this one, goodbye can be your logo, your brand. Check again. Also, welcome can be your brand, your own logo. And we can make your own design or gift box cartons, user manual. If you want to promote your own brand products, then you can contact us. For more information, please contact us freely. Thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.